Right then. Okay, well, before we get started, Monsignor Fairlane has been playing and he sent us a starter map. He sent us a starter map, so yeah. So we might put this in just to see what it looks like. But it does look like a proper castle, doesn't it? ASP, so we'll try and put this in. We'll put this in at level 1 and see if we can get it working. We are missing. I wasn't sure. Fairlane, did you send me another file? Hang on. Did you send me 2 files? I can't remember. No, it's just the one. Oh, you were talking about the file that you sent me. Okay. Thought you was talking about. So this is the starter level that you was talking about. Right. So this is a starter level. So what we're going to try and do is we're going to try. Chat's lagging. Ah, that's all right. We're going to try and get this in as. Hey Gary. Get this in as, like you say, level 1 and see what it looks like, because I know what I'm going to be doing today, so it's not like I don't know what I'm going to be doing today, but I do know what I'm going to be doing today. Hey Stuart, so let's get this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rename it, right? So I'm going to rename it to that. Just for the moment. And then we'll export it. Right. Let's see if we can bring it in. Oh, you have Jaffa cakes. Oh, you lucky, lucky soul. Lucky, lucky soul. Jaffa cakes. Oh, love Jaffa cakes. Right. So, let's put it in. So, let's do, right, let's put the map in. Oh, eyes. Not good. Right, so, what should we call this? We'll just do that for the moment. Da, 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 da. And it is Hunchback 2 template Fairlane 3 1026 and it's 60 times 10. Now I know the character set's different, so we'll do this. And we will grab that. And we'll put that there. Oops. No, we won't. Gonna have to figure out how to get this all worked out. So that's going to be... No, undo. That's going to be that. Minus that. and that. Yep, so that's the character set. Right, tile set, let's do the same thing. In fact, that's the same, but it's divided by 4. Tile set, character attributes. And that is going to be that. Right. Oh, no, don't need that. And that's it. Soon we'll be running out of memory, yeah. Right, so we need to set up the maps, don't we? We need to set up the maps. Where's the map array? Where did we put the map array? Must be in here. No, it'll be in storage, won't it? Ah, here we go. Right. Oh, that's not right. Oh, it is. That confused me a little bit then. Right, put that in there. Put that in there. And one more. Right. 212. 212. No. 121. No, because this is where the character attributes are. Yeah. Right, so that should be it. So if we run this now, we should get the first map, hopefully. Yeah, well, it's running. Oh, what am I missing? What am I missing? What am I missing? The floor, yeah, the floor's missing. Well, there's the map. Yeah, that's the map. They're the characters. Yeah, characters. Yeah, that's right. Tile set. Let's see. Have I got the tile set wrong? No. Hunchback minus Fairlane. Yeah, that's right. Character set. Character attributes. Yeah, that's right. Right, okay. Let's just check that this is right. Hey, FaZe. That's right. Let me do this. Right, let's start with a map. Maps Fairlane. Yes. Maps Fairlane. Then character set Fairlane. Yep. Then the counter. Yep. Oh! That's probably what. Because that's missing. Character attributes. Character attribute Fairlane. Byte Fairlane count. Yeah. Tar set is that. And then that. Right, let's try that again. Yeah, you've just woke up. There we go. But he's falling through the blocks. He's falling through the characters. He's falling through the characters, so I would assume this should be a block. Oh, it's not. Right, so that's going to be a 1. Yeah, that's going to be a 1. We've got... Where else have we got? We have got... Where's the zigzag? That. Where's... Oh, there. So that's going to have to be a 1 as well. Right, let's try that. Let's try that. AMK yellow diagonal line. Look, that one. What's wrong? Just middle button click a tile to select it in the, oh really? Say that again. Middle click. Middle click. I haven't got a middle click. Oh, is it that one? Is that the click? Nah. Right. Oh, in the map. Middle click. Oh, the wheel thing doesn't seem to be doing. Oh, I see. So if I do that there, oh, it's not highlighting, is it? I see what you mean. It changed, didn't it? Ah, yeah, it's going to the top, look. Yeah, got it, got it, got it. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Right, let's try again. Let's try again. So we've just re-exported it. Hopefully now he's going to stop on the grass. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Right. Up we go. He's doing his shimmy, look. Doing his shimmy. Should we get him to walk across this? Should we get him to walk across this or not? But is the yellow line a climbable? I don't know. I don't know. It looked like the rope to the drawbridge. Yeah? It looked like the rope to the drawbridge. That wall is the background. Rightio. Rightio. Well, there you go, mate. We've got it in there. Got it in there. Right, so right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be putting the code on Patreon, yeah, in the Patreon repo, so people can have a grab. Because this is just basic. This is just basically building the engine for Quasi, yeah. Because I remembered something, so I've put some extra things in. We need the conveyor block and we need the collapsing blocks, yeah, where we need to write the code in to allow for Quasi to be scooted off in a direction, and also that the blocks collapse beneath him. Now I wasn't quite sure how we're going to do this, because I mean, like here, we're up to what, 228 characters in this character set, and to make, well, I mean, if we do the conveyor, we need at least 2 more characters. That's if we animate them. If we don't animate them, then we don't need to have static characters, yeah, like we've got at the top row, yeah. So the top row are static characters because we animate the characters, and I was just wondering whether we should animate the conveyor character, because if that's the case, then we need to add 2 more characters, and I know we're sort of screwed on it throwing a fit. So I don't know, what do you think? I mean, do we animate the conveyor characters, or do we just add 2 more characters into the, just have them static? Yeah. So we're gonna have to. So we're gonna have to now. The collapsible ones. That's gonna be different, because we can have 8 8. So we're going to take up another 8 characters for the collapsible block, yeah? Because we're going to have a character for every pixel it moves down, yeah? Because it won't be animated, because if we animate it, we animate the whole lot, yeah? And we don't want to do that. We just want to animate the block that we're currently on at the moment. So so let's start with a conveyor, yeah? Now, I'm just wondering whether if we use this Fairlane's test, this, and try and see if we can do it. Right. So I'm not sure if this character here is used. Is there any way of finding out if this character is used? Right, it doesn't matter anyway. If I copy that and then go there and paste, and another one. Right, they're the two. Change it all to white. Oh, I see what you mean. Oh, okay. I see what you mean. I see what you mean, mate. Thank you for pointing that out. Oh, that's interesting. That character is being used. Okay. So we need to change that, don't we? We need to change that. We'll have to, yeah, change it for the first character. That's what I'm about to do. So, character brush. Click that. Click that. Right. Okay. So let's save that. So we don't need that now. We don't need that. But let's cut it anyway. Right. So now we've got our two characters. So let's put them on here. So what have I used? Right, what colour we're going to use what colour we're going to do the conveyor in? Let's pick a colour just for moments. So, whoa. Well, that didn't help, did it? Don't. Right, paint that. Right, so conveyor right, conveyor right, and this will be conveyor left. We only need two characters for the conveyor, yeah? So so if I grab that and do copy and then paste. What? No! Sod off. What? Oh, I do hate this software. Why are you going to 76? Ugh. Ugh. This software, I wish whoever wrote this could see us struggle with it. Right, so we need, oh, we need 2, don't we? 9. Oh, come on. Ugh. It's not hard. Right, so we're gonna have right, let's pick the right. So conveyor right, and then them 2, and this one will be conveyor left, and then those 2. Right, so there are two tiles. Let's put the conveyors in here, just so we can test it out. We need to set them. Hang on, what number did we say we was going to do the conveyors? Conveyor was going to be 4. Oh, hang on. We've got some 4s in there. Right, the 4s need to be converted to 3s. Right, so that needs to be a 3... 3, 3, 3, because they're spikes. Right, so this needs to be a 4, and that needs to be a 4. So they're the conveyor. We're also gonna have to put it into the gravity engine so they can't fall through them. Alright then, mate. Alright. I don't think we'll need to, but it's good to know. Right, so we'll need to change the gravity engine, because we need to make sure he doesn't fall through them, yeah? Right, let's put some of these, right, tile brush. Right, so let's put 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, okay, I am not sure about having the space underneath it. We're going to need that. Looks better. That looks better. Right, let's save that. So now we need to open up our animation character set. So this is the character set with all the animation in it, yeah? And so we're going to need to create, let's see how many frames should we have? Well, let's increase the number of... Should there be a flag? I mean, we've got right. We have plenty left over. We have plenty left over. So yeah, we could use an extra one. You know, say 5 is the collapsing floor to make it 6, and then have like this. I hadn't even thought about identifying. And do something like that, yeah? Because we have plenty of material types left, so let's go back. Let's go back. And we'll change it. We'll change the material type for the other one. So we have got... Yeah, did I save it? Oh, that's the wrong one, isn't it? It's that one. So we have... Right. So we've said right is 4 and left is 5. So that's 4 and that one will be 5. So click on that one. 5. Save it. We'll give it an export. So there we go. Right, let's load the animation back in. Because we need to create the animation. I'm just trying to think how many characters we should do. So the spikes are 3. The bells 3. So let's do 4. Oh, come on. Let's do 4. Right, let me see if we can do this. Okay, let's start with something like that. Well, that's not right. Something like that. So, if it don't look any good, let me know, because I'm just trying my best. Right. Shuffle it over. Yeah. Shuffle it over 2. And the last one would be shuffle over 3. Right. We can't animate characters, can we? How about that? How's that look? Yes, you are a genius, mate. Right, let's grab them, copy, paste. Oh, that was unfortunate. Paste it in front then. There we go. Right, so we need to invert. Nice. Right. Okay, so there's our animation. So we're looking at the left is equal to character 29, 30, 31, 32. None of these are the same, right? They are unique. And then right will be... Oh no, hang on. Stupid John. 41, 42, 43, 44. And then that should be 45. 46, 47, 48. Right. As you can see, the level of my artistic skills. Right. Export just the character set. That's all I need. Yep. Stick them in there. Right. So we need to set up the animation to make it animate. So let's go back to the animation array, character animation. Here we go. So JSR animate conveyors. We'll just say animate conveyor. I don't have to say if you spell it like that. I don't care. Right, we'll put it up here. Oops. Now we'll put it there. Right, so we need to we'll copy that because it's going to be exactly the same as the spikes. It's going to be exactly the same as the spikes, but we will create a different char set. So animation of bell, torches, spike array. Here we go. So we'll grab that. This time it's animation of conveyors. Right, so conveyor right, conveyor left. Oh, what? Go away. They're the only two we need because we're not redefining 4 characters. We're only redefining 2 and 4 frames. So we can get rid of those 2, and it is that and that. And then we just need to change the character. So our character base for the right hand one is 15. So it's 15. And the left will be 16. Yes. And then we just put in the numbers. So the right hand one is 45, 45, 46, 47, 48. And this one is 41, 42, 43, 44. So they're the two. So this is defining our character redefinition, and so we just need to put it into the routine we've just copied. This one, right? So I'm going to go like this. Put that over there because I want to see the array. There it is. So we've got a counter somewhere. Where's the counter? Storage, character. Oh, storage. Right. There we go. So we will do this. So conveyor. Right, we need that as well. Right. So we've got our frame counter. We're gonna animate it under 127, but I think we will go less than that. And this we need to change. Constants. Constants, where are you? So animation. Right, here we go. So conveyor chars. Right, so let's grab that, put that in there. Number of characters, put that in there. Right. That should be it. That should be it. We should have animated conveyors. Well, it hasn't errored. And we are running. Oh, yeah, it's animating. Let's get in the middle. I think they need to go a bit quicker. I think they need to go a bit quicker. Right, let's so the animation interval is 56. So if we half that, that's got what, 28, 14. Let's make them a lot quicker than that. So 14, so that means we can end it with 15. Don't need it anything bigger than that. Right, let's see. Let's see. Maybe too quick now, so we'll find out. Do we need to make them go any faster? yes. Okay. So let's half it again. We'll leave that 15. Because you got to remember, the quicker we do it, the more CPU time we're going to be taking, yeah? Because this is now happening every 7 cycles. What do you think? So now we just need to put in the code now for it. Yeah, they're going the right way. I thought they were going the wrong way. Everyone else is asleep. Yeah. So the thing is now, if we get it to do it on every cycle, that means he's going to zip across the screen because it's 50 cycles a second. So I think we might use the animation interval to determine when it should do it. Bots don't sleep. So what we need to do now is we need to write the code that says when these two characters underneath, because I'm really pleased that he's not falling through them. I thought he might have fallen through them. I thought gravity might have taken it, but clearly I thought ahead. So let's write the code now that tells us. So the question is, right? So the question is, there is a question that we need to address. How are we going to do it? Oh, got lucky. No comment. Right, so the question is, let's just zoom in a bit. Right, so we have got, oh, here's my drawing. We have got Quasi there, right? And he's going to be standing on 2 blocks. That's what's underneath him. That's what we've, because his detection range is this, yeah. So, but we're only interested in this. We're only interested in these two, yeah? So the question is, do we start him conveying across, right, when he's on both blocks or when he touches the first block? Yeah? So do we say that he starts conveying when it's either this or that? Oh, I can't. Or do we do it on and, that he has to be on both blocks before he starts moving across? As soon as he lands on it, so it's an or. So if he's on the first one or the second. So even if he's like this, as soon as he touches this one, it starts scooting him across like that, yeah? Yeah? Right. So that's what we'll need to code for. So, so where are we going to put it? Where are we going to put it? Let's see. So we've got the evaluation.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's followed? Say hello. Hey, Programmer Jeff. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Why does my bot keep shouting out me? We are, yes, we are really coding in assembly. We are really coding in assembly. So we're trying to write the basic platforming framework for the game we're going to do, which is another version of Hunchback, but we're calling it Quasi. So we're just trying to build the platforming framework together. So what we're doing is trying to do some conveyor characters. So once you touch the block, that's it, you're off in that direction. So that's what we're trying to do at the moment. So right, we evaluate his surroundings here. Yeah. Now we've already done the quasi controls there. So whatever we do to Quasi now, it'll be fun. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. Brave Soul. Well, no, we're doing all right. Oh, it was Jill, because I couldn't spell Esmeralda. So we named her Jill. Yeah, couldn't spell out Esmeralda, so we named her Jill. Right. So we're going to need two sorts of tests. We're going to need the going right test and the going left test. And we're doing the or, so it's either one or the other character. So, right. Now we do have the animation. That's in game storage, isn't it? We do have the animation. So we could link in. We could link in to the animation counter. This here, this counter there, the frame counter. We could link into that and use that as the thing that allows us to evaluate. So let's do that. Shift that over there a bit. Is that how you spell Esmeralda? I don't think so. By the way, mate, Miss Monsignor Gary, it arrived. There you go. It arrived. The thing that gets me, mate, is you put your copyright on it, but no date. you put copyright Gary Meg, but then you didn't put a date on it. Looks like a pie. No, it's an. I think it's an Arduino Nano. I think it's an Arduino Nano that's on it. Yeah, Esmeralda equals Jill. So I haven't tried it out yet, mate. I just thought I'd let you know that it's arrived. Yeah, it's arrived. So it's a dual port, 9-pin port. So you can plug it into your PC and use it in the emulator. Also, for the C64 Mini as well. DB9 to USB V2 retro joystick adapter by Gary Meg. So, but I ain't tried it yet, mate. I will do, but I just thought I'd let you know it's arrived. Right, so we're going to use By the way, Pro Micro. What? Oh, you mean the USB thing? Yeah, I've got the cable, mate. But you forgot to put your year on it. Copyright Gary Meg 2022, it should have said. But yeah, gonna have a play with it, mate. Gonna have a play with it. I just thought I'd let you know it's come. Right. Where was I? Oh, yes. Right. Did you hear that? Did you did you hear that? Oh, the board is a Pro Micro. No! That's Nico snoring. That's Nico snoring. He does look angelic, doesn't he, when he's asleep? Right, let's get back to coding. Keep the boys on the screen for you. Oh, you have more? So it's Gary Meg is selling these if anybody wants one. If you've got the C64 Mini or Maxi, it works in the Maxi as well, doesn't it? Right, so we're going to be putting Kick Assembler. Never heard of that. What instruction set? If you don't mind the question. Well, as far as I know, it's 6502 and variants of 6502. I think that's what it uses. I mean, I've been messing around with Retro Assembler as well, because that does other CPUs. It does Z80 and a few others. But the Kick Assembler is 6502 and variants of 6502. As far as I know. Right. Where are we going to put it? Where are we going to put it? But VS Code sucks. It's not VS Code, it's the extension. Every time VS Code brings out a new version, it screws up the extension. I mean, I've got another update here. Oh, that's live share. Okay, not bothered about that. I mean, where's the one that I use? Where's Kick? Oh, it's not called that now. It's called Retro Developer, isn't it? There it is. Kick Assembler 8-bit Retro Studio. What version is it on? 18. What am I on? Is that the last, like, 18's? a month ago. I thought they'd updated it, but there we go. Never mind. No, it's VS Code. I can't say that because I use VS Code professionally. I use it for UI5 coding, now for Sales, Logix coding, Apex, and a few others. You know, so it's all my go-to text editor. That's why I was pleased that we got an extension for Kick in here. Right, okay, let's get on with it. Right, so I'm going to put it in collisions, I think. Let's have a look. Can I put it in here without it screwing up? Oh, I don't think. No, I don't think so. We'll have to put it in quasi. Is the latest version of C64 debugger broken? Breakpoints don't seem to work. I'm not on the latest one, mate. I'm still on the one before he made it multi-window. $8-bit, yes, C64, Atari 2600. You had one of those when you was growing up? Well, I have 44 last count. I have 44 C64s. And I have 20 something C64 boards that I use as spares. Yeah, some of us never grew up. I didn't grow up. But I've got loads of retro machines. BBC Micros. Oh, by the way, Gary, I've still got yours down here. I've got to get yours down there. Got to get yours to you, mate. Next time I'm on my way to the coast, I'll let you know. I'll let you know. You got two 64s and an Amiga 1200. I ain't got an Amiga 1200, but I got Amiga 500 plus. Well, I got two Amiga 500 pluses and Amiga 600, but I ain't got the 1200. I haven't got the 1200 yet. Well, that's why I've got 20 odd boards, because you know the chips were getting expensive, especially the SID chips. Stupid money now. That'll stress test my solar panels. Yes, it will. And my panels are now working. They are working quite happily now. So you want to add your BBC to your collection? I'll get it to you, mate. Like I say, next time I'm on the way to the coast, I'll give you a ping. I'll either drop it off on the way there or drop it off on the way back. Then you can give Nico a hug, because he'll be in the car. You'll see him in person. Look at him. Butter wouldn't melt in his mouth. Look at him. Stress test for the neighbours. But I mean, I got 20 odd boards. I've got 20 odd loose 64 boards, fully populated. So I've got chips. 16 colours, yes. 16 colours. Right. 16 brown. Right, we're not putting in there. I'm going to put it in quasi. Game quasi. There he is. Oh, someone's waking up. Right, can we climb? So it's going to be like this. Yeah, right, here we go. So, How are we going to do this? No, it's not going to be this. Not going to be this weekend, mate. Because I'm having my COVID vaccine, COVID jab this weekend, and then I've got to work US time next week. So, we'll see if it's the weekend. We'll see if about the weekend after. Hang on, weekend after. What am I if I'm doing anything? What am I doing the weekend after? Oh, it's Guy Fawkes night. Guy Fawkes night. I might take the boys away to the coast then, because they get a bit... third COVID vax. No, fourth. This will be my fourth. This will be my fourth. Yeah, fourth one. Right. Well, this is the second booster, isn't it? Because they've now all the elderly have done. They've now invited people over 50 with health issues, which I've got one, unfortunately. My heart issue, because I'm elderly. Oh, third, and you've had COVID as well. Luckily, I have not had COVID, but I do wear my mask everywhere. I do wear my mask everywhere. So yeah. Right, so we are going to be testing the bottoms. We are going to be testing the bottoms. You haven't had COVID. Yeah, me. But the problem is, I've been really careful. I get looked at when I play pool because I wear the mask. I wear my mask when I'm playing pool. But yeah, that's another thing. I'm going for COVID. Get the vaccine for COVID, and then the sometime, I think it's the week after, I'm having a flu jab. Right, so let's do the first one. So we need to put it... Oh, conveyor. We need to change that, don't we? Game constants, because we've now changed it, haven't we? There. Map blocks. So this is going to be 6. So conveyor right. Conveyor left. Oh, she had them both at the same time in one arm. Oh my god. I sent a couple of conveyor tests. One is based on your arrows. What? What, in Discord? Oh, I see what you've done. Okay. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's have a look. Oh, I see what you've done. Oh, I see what you've done. I like this one. Hang on, let's blow it up so you guys can see it. I do like that one. I do like that one, mate. We'll copy and paste them in. Yeah? We'll copy and paste them in and we'll see what they're like. Let's do this. Let's try this one first, yeah? Let's fire another version up. Right, so, okay. We'll try the arrows first. Yeah, we'll try the arrows. Copy. See if it does it. See if it does it. Paste. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Don't need to worry about that. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see what that looks like. I don't think I've created any errors yet. So we should be alright. We should be able to do it. Oh, errors. Errors. That's these two fellas here. Hello, Tash the Minion. Welcome. What's going on now? Oh, have I got... Ah! Let's do that. Right, come on. There we go. Right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So these are the arrows. Right then, guys. What do you think? So there's the arrows. They are better than mine. They are better than mine. Oh, is Gary going? Oh, no, mate. Enjoy Spain. Let's see the other one. Right, okay. Not a problem. Right, let's do this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cheat. Just going to copy. And we'll paste it into there in the same spot. So we'll We'll leave the other ones in there because we can get rid of them, yeah? Right, so we'll export the character set. Yes. And we will fire it back up. Yeah, I liked that one when I was looking in the character set. Right, so we're agreed it's going to be that one, isn't it? Right, so we'll use that as the conveyor, yeah? Yes, yes. Let's give him some points for that. Let's give him some points for that, so he deserves it. Right, so we will. Right, let me get rid of the characters we don't need then. Save that. Export it again just to make sure. Oh, that's not me. Right. Let's just make sure that we're still running okay. And then we'll continue with creating the illusion. Ah. There you go, mate. There you go. Just to boost your points even further. Go on, there you go. Right, so we haven't broken. Jan. There you go, mate. There you go. You got nothing for Jaffa Cakes. You didn't hand them around. And also, we need to do this as well. We need to do that. We need to do that for Fairlane. Oops. There we go. Because he's done 3 levels. Oh, it's not doing it, is it? Oh. There we go. Gonna have to learn how to use my bot. Gonna have to learn how to use my bot. There you go, Fairlane. You got 90. Oh, stars. Maybe when I add, maybe I should when I add give people points, we get a star up on the screen. I'll have to think about that. Got me working. Right, let's add the conveyor in. So let's do the right one first. You need points for that tip. I've got to see if I can do it first, mate. I've got to see if I can do it first. Right. Right, so we're doing conveyor right. So let's say if it's equal conveyor right.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
What? Neo, I missed that. Oh,
Hi, Johnny.
Docster.
Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever. Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Well, at least some of the regulars are getting them. No,
Hi,
Zsolt.
John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Fish here. Never heard of him before.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
You can't blame Nico. He's been asleep. Docster. Thank you, mate. Your generosity is always appreciated and never expected. Isn't it? Oh yeah, 5 minutes. Yeah, he's due in 5. Docster, thank you very much, mate. You're very generous. Too generous, to be honest. Right, ping me in 5 minutes then. Right. So we've detected we're on the block. Yeah. So we've.
Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Is that for Nico or is it for Aston? Oh, you're not starting a hypertrain, are you? You wanted your name on the board. Well, the last cheer. Don't blame you. Oh no, not. There's a hypertrain coming, is there? Is there? Oh no, don't tell me you're doing another hypertrain. I can't keep up when you do them things. Right, I'm going to only if one more gives bits or something. Oh, okay. I see what you mean.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
DMX. Oh. Tash the Minion, you're in the top 3. Thank you for the gift sub. Thank you for the gift sub. Tash the Minion is paying forward the gift they got from Docster. Ooh. Oh, it's high time. Oh, yes, it is. Yeah. Right. Okay, so I'm just going to put... that on. So you can see him. And I will be back in a mo. Conveyor right. So we are going right.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Who's FaZe? Thank you for the subscription, mate. 7 months. Thank you very much. My bot is useless. No, he's done it. That's Streamlabs, that is. I need to make it more evil. Yes, I know. I need to make it more evil. It will happen. It will happen. It will happen. W40 overlay. Yeah, I was still left on the boys, didn't I, when it kicked in? Yeah, wrong overlay. Yeah. Yeah, bit of a delay for you, mate. Right. What randomly kicks people off for fun? I don't think I can do that, can I? Can I remove people out of a stream? I don't know. I don't know. Right, so conveyor going right. Right, so the conveyor going right. Let's fire it back up because I want to make sure I'm got this right. So if the conveyor is going right, it is going right. Yeah, that's what I think we're going to be doing. So that's going right. So we need to make quasi go right. All right, we need to make quasi go right. So if we think laterally, we're basically doing a right hand a move right. That's basically what we're doing. Now we've got all this already here. Yeah. So we could say we could do this here. So let's do that. Let's see if that works. So we're going to say movements to the right. Let's try that. So movements, and we'll do the jump to the right. So that should do it. Right, let's put it in the code. So we're not going to do it on every cycle, right? We're going to hijack the storage one. This where's the character counter? There we go. So let's do that. Load storage dot character animation dot conveyor dot frame counter. All right. The conveyor going right will help anything go right, and the conveyor left will make them go left. Yeah, so if you're walking, it should slow you down. It should anyway. So let's do a compare with game constants dot there, animation. Oops, two T's. Dot conveyor that. Right, if it's not equal to that, we'll do bypass. JSR quasi dot what did we call it? step over conveyor, that's it. Stepped on a conveyor. Right, let's see if that does it. So it's only the going right one at the moment. Let's see. Let's see if, right, here we go. I don't think it's getting there. I don't think it's getting there because I think we are doing 7, but on 7. Oh, check the other one. Yeah, I'll check the other one as well. Your power supply did not arrive. Really? I hope you got your money back, mate. Right, here we go. Oh, oh! Right.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh, Fairlane, thank you for the bits, mate. Thank you. Well, that worked. that worked.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Fighting over the last cheer. Oh, thank you for the bit. Attach the minion. You just want your name on the screen. Right, so let's do this side. Right, let's do this side. So it's going to be the same thing. Yeah, it's going to be the same thing. So let's grab these two. And we'll do the same thing again. But this time it's conveyor left and left. And we'll say left and left. Right, or left, depending on how you look at it. Here we go. Come on. Oh. That wasn't good. That must have been right on the edge of the detection zone. Right then. Oh, it did slow down. It did slow down. Who created the graphics? Well, this map is used. Fairlane made this map, but the graphics are sort of a mixture of Stack Bats, Fairlane, SP. So yeah, there's a mixture. Everybody's having a go. So this is Fairlane's. Right, so what we need to do now is we need to put the conveyor set into the other ones, because we will have an issue. If I changed, say, map 2, which hasn't got the conveyor static characters in, we're going to have some of the screen go funny, I think. Yeah, look, can you see here? So we need to put the characters. We need to put the characters into these, right? So let's open up. We don't need that, but we do need the one that we're using at the moment, which is the 24B, which is this one. Right, let's boost this so I know what I'm doing, because we need to change it as well, don't we? We need to change a tile because of that one. So that's draw. Oh, it's not there. It's not there. That's okay. That's okay. Good news for us. Right, so we'll grab this one. So we're going to grab those two, copy, and then we'll paste it into here, which is there. Paste. Oh, you little... That was naughty. Copy. Right. Paste. Cut that out, and we will put the new tile, 2 new tiles in. So that's going to be 60. Oh, really? 60. Right. Let's grab the 2 new tiles. No, we'll do them by hand, because it'll go wrong. So the first tile is going right. So the first tile is going right. So boink boink, and we did that and that, and then here we do that, and then left. Yep. That looks right. Save. Right, let's export this. Right, let's see if we're okay. Well, it looks like we haven't got any characters going a bit wobbly. Right. You ordered the flask, but it's not come up. Oh, I bet Streamlabs is throwing a fit again. Bet Streamlabs is throwing a fit again. Right, let's put the conveyor belt on the first map. Let's put the conveyor belt on the first map. So we'll put one here. Right? We'll put one here. So going right. We'll put the going right one there. So we'll say there. And that will test out whether it's working or not, yeah? So let's export that. F6 it. Right, let's see if we've got a conveyor in there. That's going the wrong way, isn't it? That's going the wrong way. That's going the wrong way. 15, 16. So the characters are right, but it's animating to the left. Okay, mate. So we won't use any naughty words. So why? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? So left is 15, right is 16. Left is 15, right is 16. Have I got them wrong? Have I actually got them wrong? Let's do map 1. That's right. Okay. Let me change these for the left-hand ones. Let's put 2 left hands, 2 right hands. Let's see if I've got them the wrong way round. They're the wrong way round. How have I got them the wrong way round? So they're going left. No, they're going right. So that's going right. And that's going left. Yeah, I've gotten them the right way round. Oh, John. Ah. Right, these are 3s. That's a 4. That's a 5. Right, here we go. Oh, it's always something, isn't it? Hey, he's got stuck. Right, we got them the right way around. Got them the right way around. Oh, that was a bit stupid, wasn't it? We've also got another one. We've got this one, which is Stackbat's map that we need to do as well. So let's do that as well. Let's make sure that that is not being used by anything. If Quasi's on a conveyor and it moves him off screen, it shouldn't do. Right, so that one's okay. So let's go back to here. Let's grab those two characters, that one and that one. Copy. Paste. Cut that one out. And then we just need to add two more tiles, don't we? Oh, come on. And we will add them in as... So the first tile will be... First tile will be CR. So we'll do the same thing again. CR. No, no, no. Come on. CR, CR. And we'll use the floor still. We'll use the floor. Which is that one, I think. Now he hasn't got anything in here, so we'll leave it. But it means that we can send it back to Stackbat's if he wants to add any conveyors in. Yeah, here we go. So let's do that. Hey Proton, welcome. Nicomo, hello. Right, so Stackbat's map. So we should be all right with let's just make sure Stackbat's map is going to be map 10, or is it 11? It's probably 10. Let's try. Let's see what map 10 gives us. Nope. So it must be 11. There we go. So, is anything strange? Well, strange that we are landing on there. What's going on there? Right, where's my tools folder? Right, they need to be 3s. Three, 3, 3, then 4, then 5. This is fire, they should be 3. Spikes are 3. That needs to be a 2 as well. We got 1s there. Was there a 1 on a block that didn't exist? It could be that one, isn't it? It's probably that one. Let's have a quick look. Right, we've got a 1 there. Right, so is that anywhere? There.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Sorry, didn't see you. Material type is on the tiles. Oh, okay. Thank you. Right, I better give you some points because I get told off. Thank you. Didn't know that. Didn't know that. Right, so that should be that. So let's change that to that. And same with that as well. That needs to be there. And that. Right, let's get rid of that. Right, is there anything... Oh, that's a blank one as well, isn't it? Let's see. Is that anywhere? No. Right. So we have 2 characters here that we don't need. So I suppose we could cut them out. Save it. Right, let's try that again.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Still colour is wrong. The wall type to the left of the cave uses brown, which is material 1. Yeah, I presume that's to. Stop. I wonder if he's made it. I wonder if he's made it. Yeah, I'm. Yeah, I think you're right there, mate. I think you're right. These shouldn't be 1s. Right. Can I do that? Nice. Okay. Right, let's export that. Because it's, but it's rocks in the background, isn't it? Yeah. You don't climb over. We're not gonna get. We're not gonna get up there. How are we gonna get up there? Yeah, we're not gonna get on that, are we? See, these could be conveyors as well. These could be conveyors. Yeah, we're not jumping high enough for them. Yeah, put them 1 block lower. We also need a wall here as well, so we don't walk off the level. Might as well do that while we're in here. So we need the wall, which is that one. So we can put that like that. That should be enough there. And we'll do that. Should be enough there. And we need these down a bit, don't we? Right, so like that. But I suppose we could make these conveyors. Yeah. I'm up for that. Let's create 2 more tiles. Create 2 more tiles. Where's the editor? There it is. Right, so we'll create that and that. So let's try this out. So those two, and we'll be naughty and do that. Right, let's try that. Let's see how that works. Right then. Right, here we go. Oh. Right, we need to do the jump. We need to test for the conveyors in the jump. Hang on. Can we climb? That's climbing. There we go. Right, that should allow us to do that now. Can you do ore in the comparison? No. Because they are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If there were bits, then I would say yes. No, mate, because that would be a logical OR. And so 4 and 5 will always return 5. Yeah? Next stream, Fairlane, will be the 7th of November. That's when the next one is. Unless I do one over the weekend, when I've finished, say, do a Saturday stream or something like that. Night though, mate. Right, let's see if we can land on these conveyors. Here we go. Hey! Oh dear. Nice. But a little slow. Well, I mean, we could speed up Quasi. We could speed up Quasi. Because we're only testing on one number, which is this 6. So if we want to make him move twice as fast, I mean, but the thing is, if we speed him up, yeah. Aston, pack it in. Well, let's just try it, yeah. So if we do because we want to test for 3, yeah. So if we do 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So we test for 3, and then we'll just test for 3, because then that should fire twice. Yeah. So 7 divided by 2 is 3. So let's see if that speeds us up. Let's see if that speeds our movement up. So we'll get it on the screen. All right. Here we go. Ready? Oh no. That's just the same speed, isn't it? That's the same speed. Okay. Right, let's see if let's implicitly say it. No. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's why it's only doing it once. Right, that's why it's only doing it once. Right, what I've just done is I've just worked it out. So this is what I've just done on paper, yeah? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah? So they're the frames it goes through. So we've just gone and told it to look for that, which only ever happens once. So what we need to do is we need to do that. No, that. But then we just test for 2. So it will fire on that. That will fail. And yeah, that should do it. That should do it. Right, let's see if that speeds us up, because that should run twice now. Right, so here we go. There we go. It is moving a lot quicker now. Is that better? I know he's going faster than the animation, but if we get the animation going any quicker, it's going to gobble up a lot of CPU time. Right, we'll go with that then. We'll go with that. So we will leave that. No, we'll leave that in. So whoa. We'll leave that in, so it reminds us where we came from. Right. So if I go back to map 2. No, map 1 has the big ones on, haven't they? Right, let's see what it looks like on map 1. Because there they got the big ones on. Right, here we go. So the scroll's still working okay. Oh, it is slowing him down when he gets on it. It did slow him down when he got on it, look. Oh, and he speeds up going that way as well. Right, so there's the conveyor. I think that's the conveyor done, isn't it? Scroll works if you only triggered it. Okay, let's try. Let's try and get the. We'll get the scroll on the screen. Yeah. Right. So we're on the edge of the scroll. So we'll scroll over. Yeah. See what you mean. Look, it went wrong there. Oh, I see what's going on. I see what's going on. When you run over it, we're going faster than it. So we probably don't even hit that boundary. There. See what I mean? It hit the boundary. Oh, we're going to have to think about that. I wonder. I think it's because. Where's our scroller? Is our scroller anywhere to be seen? I think. Where's that? There it is. Or is it in the scroller? Maybe it's in the move. Where's Quasi's move? Oh, it's in the move. Right, hang on. Here, because we're doing two. Right, if I knock that, say, down to 253, and if we say CC, right, let's try that. Let's see if that sorts it. So we've just pulled in a little bit the detection for the scroll, yeah. So it's not affected the way the scroll's working. Right, here we go. Let's get it on. Yeah, it's still affecting it. It's still affecting it. It's because we're going too quick. Well, that's what that's doing. That's what this is effectively doing. We're testing where Quasi is on the screen, yeah. So at 253, and I'm saying if it's below 253, then stop scrolling. Maybe I need to make this 252. 252 to 255 is only 3 pixels. Maybe we need to just do it at 252. Hang on. Let's see if that fixes it. Because we'd be moving at 3 pixels. Oh, it's still doing it. Oh, this is gonna be troublesome. Let's do 251. Oh, I thought that had done it, but it hadn't. Oh, that is annoying. But, oh, what am I thinking, John? What am I thinking? I can do what I did here. If it's 1, it goes straight through. Oh, hang on. No, if it's 1, we need to come here. Right, that's where we need to go. If it's 1, it needs to continue the scroll because we've gone out. Right, let's try that. I've only just realised. It was scrolling no matter what. Hang on. Oh, no, it's equal, isn't it? Branch if equal. There we go. Right, come on, keep scrolling. There we go. There we go. There we go, sorted it. That's done it, that has. I think that's sorted it. Right, I might put it back to 254. Right, I might put that back to 254. Where it was originally, and see if it still works. Go on, off you go. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Keep scrolling. This is the one that's going to cause us problems. No, we are in business. We are in business, and that one worked as well. Nice. Excellent. So we've got it working. We've got it doing it now. So basically what we've done is we've tested the screen position, right? And so this is the high bit. And this is the low bit. So when it comes out, so when we've worked out the screen position, we have the accumulator which has the high bit and the X register has the low bit. So what we're doing, we're saying if we're in that high range, we're going to scroll, right? We're scrolling, yeah. But if we're in the low range, then we check for 254. But what's happening was we were running, yeah, at 1 pixel every cycle, and then when we hit the conveyor that took us on, that was adding 2 more pixels. So it went from 254 to 2. It went from 254 to 256, 257. Yeah, and that's why it stopped scrolling. Yeah. Oh, this map needs some stars and a moon in the sky. Well, hang on. I think that was not listed in there at all. Oh, you mean oh right, I see what you mean. It needs something in the sky. Well, I'm sure Fairlane's going to watch this back and he might do something. But yes, we need something there. But at least, but we won't use sprites, but we'll use characters. I mean, he says there's a lot of characters in this character set that he's not using, so he might just strip it out. He might just strip some characters out that he's not using. But it's yeah. But yeah, we could put some. Just need to put them in the map. The bats and the hollow shields aren't used. Yes, it's only the full one. But we'll let Fairlane. I'm sure you'll watch the stream back, because he was saying he was running out of ideas for maps, and that's why we need to. Because we've just seen stack bats. So we've got 3 effectively templates. Yeah, we've got this one. We have got. Right, so that's that one, yeah. So we've got that one. And then we've got. Oh, not that one. This one. So this is the next template. But this has got 9 different levels in. Yeah? And then we've got stack bats template, which is this one. So we've got 3 different templates, and if anybody wants to create one, that's up to you. As long as it's now no longer the 16 characters, is it? It's now no longer the 16 characters, so I need to change these instructions. Right, because it's now the 18 characters, isn't it? To 0 to 1 1, I think it is. Zero to 10. That's 17 characters, isn't it? Yeah. So it's 17 characters from 0 to 10. Alright. So the first 17 characters we can't mess around with. So that's the thing. That's why I've done it in all 3. So we do have a template. It's just that we've got 3 different templates. So if you want to create any levels, right? I'll stick these templates into Discord, and then we can take it from there. Yeah. If people want to create levels, we've got the space, I think. Let's have a look. Where have we got to? See, we're only up to 900. We're only up to 900. And if we look at the map, see, that's where the maps are, look, there. And then the character sets are there and the tile sets there. We've still got all this room here in between. I mean, that can be moved. Oh, that's the base character set. Yeah. But I'm sure we could move the base character set. Why have I got the base character set there? Character set, tile set, character attributes. Oh, this is where the actual characters are, okay. And then this is where the animated characters are. But the animated character set could be put anywhere. That could be put anywhere. So we've still got plenty of, I mean, we could always stick it underneath here anyway. So if anybody wants to have have a go at maps, I mean, we can put them anywhere. But we've still got a bit of space left. And at the moment we haven't done the bad guys yet. And we haven't started on the game logic. At the moment we're just building the framework. So we'll need some more characters for the collapsible character set. So if anybody wants to have a crack at making me a collapsible character set, yeah, and power-ups, we need to put power-ups in there as well. So we might start using some more base characters here. But we need full, it's a full character and then nothing. So that's 9, isn't it? If we do it 1 pixel at a time, it collapses 1 pixel down at a time. So that's 9, but we'd only need 8 because we'd use the blank space as the 9th one. So if anybody wants to have a crack at making like Manic Miner's collapsible floor, we could do that on the next stream, code that in on the next stream, yeah, and take it from there, because that's going to have to be done differently, because we're gonna have to affect the staging map. We're going to have to change the staging map so it remembers that the floor collapsed or is in a state of collapse. But yes, power-ups are going to be in there. We need power-ups. But yeah. So, let's see. What have we done? So we've done the conveyor block. So we need to do the collapsible blocks. So I'll give you guys, if anybody wants to, does anybody want to do the collapsible blocks? I need 8 characters, 1 full, and then various as it goes collapses 1 pixel at a time, yeah. And then on the next stream we can incorporate the collapsing block into the stream, yeah. The collapsing block, like Manic Miner, you know, when he walks over. Hang on.
Giving a one-of-a-kind.
Oh, go away, ads. Oh, come on, really? 18 seconds of adverts. No, not to animate. No, we're not animating the collapsible block, yeah? Come on, get over. Right. So, let's go back. So like these here, yeah? So like these here, the collapsible blocks. So they're not animated. We're not going to animate them, yeah? Not like the conveyor, like they've done here. All we're going to do is we'll have a set of 8. So when you land on it, it does that, yeah? Or something similar, yeah? Or something similar.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's followed? Say hello. Let me guess. Oh, Jamdo Tex. Jamdo Tex? Oh, I hope I haven't destroyed that name, mate. Thank you for following. Welcome. But Quasi should go down while it collapses. Mate, come on. Come on. Come on. Remember, this is meant to be so people can learn how to create games. I mean, that's a good thing. You know, have it where you, like in there. You sent a star and moon set on Discord, have you? Let's have a look. Right, let's pause that. So, you understand what I say about a collapsible block, yeah? Dude, you and you're doing some very nice work, mate. Hang on, let me put it into the directory so we can load it up. Right, let's have a look. Oh, nice. We'll have to incorporate them. We'll have to incorporate them. Who should we do it on here? I think Fairlane won't mind. Let's do it on there. So let's grab this lot. We'll just try it out. We'll just try it out. Should we make it part of the base set, base character set, or should we add it to the end? Dude, you are. Oh, come on. You're trying to you're trying to push it so we can get stuff in, right? What colour should we make it? Do you think white would be too bright? Or should we make it so it's not so obvious like that? Because white would be too bright, don't you think? Let's create them first. So the moon. So that's the moon. And then we'll have a set of stars. like that. Light blue. Light blue. Let's try light blue then. That one. Like that. Hey, that might work. Right, let's just put a test in here, yeah? So just randomly placing tiles in. Right, let's put the moon there. Right, let's see how that works. It's just a trial. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, the scroll's getting a bit much, isn't it? The scroll's getting a bit much. Because it's glitching at the top now. We are crashing into the top of the screen. I think, yeah, it's glitching just a little bit. Oh, what a shame. That's because it's all the way down here. God, what is that? Why is it massive there? What's the very last thing on the loop? Oh, that's the update sprites. That's the update sprites. Well, we've added some more animation, but we've made it quite regular, the animation, yeah? So that's taking now CPU time. But the update sprites is tipping it over, but I'm just wondering because this must be the... We're going to have to colorize. We're going to have to colorize and see what's going on. Because right, let's take right, let's take that out. Let's just see how much is being taken up by the animation of the update of the sprites. Let's do that. That'll give us an idea if it is the update sprites that's causing the problem. Oh, it's something else. That is something else. It has a big gap. All right. So let's see if it's that. Yeah, it's the character animation. Oh. Yeah, I think we may have to start doing that. But the routines are the animated routines are are staggered. It's just that because we've got different ones, yeah. So we've got the intervals. Yeah, so we've got different intervals for the fires. So if you look at the fires, you'll find out that one goes quicker than the other. We've got a bell animation, yeah, at 28, and then we've got the conveyor that happens every 7, and the spikes are every 56. So it's a combination of the fact that maybe we need to slow the torches down and the fires. Slow the torch and the fire animation down, so it's not going so fast, like so. Let's go to it. Yes, mate, because we're not never know whether they're being used or not. Yeah. So you know, mate, we could slow that down or slow these down. Let's try it. Let's make that. Let's slow it down by a factor of 2. Let's see what it looks like. It might not make it so bad then. I mean, it slowed it down, look, but it's still glitching massively, look. And that's when all three character animations are happening at the same time. Stop animating while scrolling. Could we do that? Let's have a look. We animate before we scroll. I suppose we could. I mean, we could. Well, let's try it. Let's try it. Storage. Hey up. Someone's having a dream. Who is it? Oh, they're not doing it now. By the way they're laying, I think Nico's probably the one. Yes, Nico's not very well. He's been down all day. And then Aston wouldn't leave him alone. Right, let's look at the scroller. We need to tap into the scroller flag. We need to tap into the scroller flag. So which is this one here. So we need to tap into that. So what we're saying is, if we load that and then compare it to that, so that's saying if the animation is, if the scroller is not working, right, so let's try this. So basically we're saying, well, this is the direction we're asking for the scroller, yeah? And if the scroller has a direction other than not scrolling, it's going to bypass the character animation. Right, let's see if that works. So it's, there we go. So look, the character animation stopped, look. And then it fires back up, yeah? So it stops. Really? Already? Really? Already? Dude. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let me put it in the right place to start with. Oh, nice. Nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need one more, mate. We need one more with the top row in. Yeah? Because it quasi look like he's floating above it, yeah? I mean, he's going to be floating above it anyway. He's going to be floating above it anyway when it collapses, because we're not going to be dropping quasi down. But we'll definitely have a bash at putting this in on next stream. But back to this. I'm not sure, because right. Let's look. It's when we're scrolling, it stopped the animation, right? Look, it's not animating. Is that a problem that it's not animating? It does look odd, doesn't it, when it stops? Ugh. I think it's all about timings. I think it's all about timings, because we've just got to make sure that we don't have, you know, that they all, I mean, 8 twice is 16. So that means this and this would fire up. 12, 3 8s, yeah. Oh, that's going to be annoying, that is. We've just got to we've got to work out a way that on the timings they don't add up to make one big one. Use co-prime numbers. Yeah, I was trying to think of that. Let's look that up. Go away.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's just followed? Show yourself. Say hello. Who's just followed?
Hello,
Oh.
John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hello, Moss Rock. Oh, who else has just followed? Oh, I've got another one. Welcome, Black Matt Hurst. Welcome.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Nicomo, thank you very much for the bits, mate. Much appreciated. Yes, this is assembly. This is assembly. Right, we're just trying to find... Is there any security risk in assembly language? I suppose there is. I suppose. Not on the machine that we're coding for. I don't think. Oh, it's very kind of you to say that, mate. Right, okay, what numbers did you put up? 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Right, okay. So we'll start with 5, 7, 11. No, we'll do 11, 13. That can be 7. 23. Well, we could do 23 there. Right, let's see how that works. Well, look at that. Well, we ain't got the big spike. We haven't got the big spike anymore. And the scrolls... Well, look at that. All about timing, isn't it? So we haven't got the big spike, mate. Oh, you deserve some points for that, mate. You deserve some points for that, mate. Good suggestion, that one was. Is it possible to pass Windows user account control using assembly language? Yeah, if we was writing in x86, but we're not. We're writing in 8-bit. 8-bit for a Commodore 64. So we're using a 6502 processor. Right, okay. So we've got the conveyor working. We've sorted out the timing of the animation. So it does every now and then get to there. And I bet you that's to do with the spike animation, because what's the number closest to 56, Nicomo? What's the number closest to 56? $53. Right, let's use 53. Let's see if that stops that spike. So our biggest one was about there, wasn't it? Yeah, it's there. That's not bad, saying it was down here before. Right, let's put it on completely now, so it's doing the whole lot. And see what the scroll's doing. Yeah. Hang on. There we are. Okay, let's do that, and that. Replace. Right, let's load it in. Oh, you've done a second. Oh, I see what you've done. Oh, nice. Nice. What is the easy way to get monitor refresh rate using assembly code? Well, it depends. I mean, on a 64, it's either 50 or 60 hertz. And we can test that by just testing its memory, because there'll be a flag that lets us know. Yeah, we'll see if we can do a timing diagram and see. But I'm gonna. That is so cool. That is so cool that it. Right. So we've got a dissolving floor character set. So we just need to. We'll do a timing map to see if any of these add up. Yeah. Yeah, you'll not get 240 Hz on a Commodore 64, I'm afraid. Right then. Okay. So we've done what I wanted to do today, which was to get the conveyor blocks working. And we've already started with the char set example done. SP. So on the next stream, we will implement the collapsing block mechanic into our framework. And then that, except for the power-ups, would be everything, wouldn't it? So, yeah, bad guys and power-ups. Oh, yeah, power-ups there. So, in terms of the platformer framework, we just need to do the collapsing block, and then we've done it, and then that's it. The maps can be created. Yeah. All right then, guys. Well, it's 11 o'clock here, and Nico is going to need his eye meds in 20 minutes, and he's not going to be happy again because I'm going to be whacking him up. Look at him with his ear hanging over the edge. You're giving eye meds as well. Yeah, he's got in his. I've got to think now. In his left eye, he's got an ulcer. So he's on cornea repair eye drops every 4 hours, and he's on it's sort of like antibiotics every 6 hours. Oh, Nico's not too bad. It's not too bad. He's got used to it because he's always suffered with eye problems. Nico has. I mean, it wasn't too long ago when he had 2 eye operations because we trying to save his right eye on that occasion. All right then, guys. Well, thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're starting to understand. And I will see you in a week Monday, because I'll be working US time next week. All right, guys. Well, thanks a lot, and I'll see you in about 10 days. Take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.